Check out Medical Guardian's MGMini Lite, which wears like a watch, but it isn't. It so reminds me of Dick Tracy and his two-way wrist radio. And just like Dick Tracy could call for help, seniors can use this to call for help, whether due to an emergency or just to get some TLC from a family member. The MGMini Lite is a tiny mobile medical alert device from Medical Guardian that has much of the capability of its bigger brother, the MG Mini, and a form factor you could wear around your wrist like the MG Move smartwatch. So watch this review to find out if you can trust the MGMini Lite to protect your loved one. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. Today I'm going to review the MGMini Lite, this small emergency response device from Medical Guardian, to see if it can protect seniors at home and on the move. So I've got a medical alert device from Medical Guardian. It's called the MGMini Lite. It's the lightest and smallest medical alert device. So I just want to unbox it, see what it comes with. So there's a little bit of paperwork here. We've got the device itself, and there's a charger and the plug that you plug the charger into the wall. But here's the device. And then the charger. That's about it. So we're going to charge this baby up and test it out. There's a cool thing about charging this. Although it only has contacts on one side, the charger has them on both sides. See the red light? That tells you the charger is plugged in. That's handy. But you can charge it this way.
Charging.
Or you can charge it this way. There's no way to put it upside down. If you need a longer band, they'll give you one, but the standard issue fits me just fine. Without the band, the tiny powerhouse weighs less than an ounce, but it still manages to include Wi-Fi location technology that minimizes the time needed to find a person in distress. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, it'll use nearby Wi-Fi networks to find you quickly. There's a battery that'll power the unit for up to 36 hours. And it's water resistant, so you can wear it in the shower where too many accidents happen, but you don't want to submerge it as it's not waterproof. And besides the speaker, microphone, and this emergency call button right here in the middle, the MGMini Lite also includes built-in fall detection. To call for help works similarly to the MG Mini. Press the button for 3 seconds or until the blue light appears, and a call center checks in with you and summons help if needed. Let's try it.
Calling the support center. Jeff Hoyt, this is Medical Guardian. Do you need help?
No, just testing the system. Wow, that was super fast. They answered very quickly. Although it wasn't a human, it was an AI robo-operator, but they would have put me through to a human if I had requested. Like a lot of mobile medical alert devices, the MGMini Lite has both an equipment fee, $150, and a monthly service fee. The service fee is $47 a month, which seems a little on the high side, but Medical Guardian will reduce the price to less than $40 a month, and they'll throw in a free lockbox and free shipping if you pay for a year up front. As I demonstrated, pressing the button is pretty easy, but what if you're unconscious or you can't move well enough to press the button? Well, with fall detection activated, the device will call for help even when you can't, and that feature costs an extra $10 a month. You can have everyone you designate notified and updated of emergencies for an additional $3 a month. And finally, $7 per month gets you a protection plan that covers the equipment as well as providing extra support. So is the MGMini Lite right for you? Well, I like how it can be well concealed on your wrists, as many seniors don't want to be seen wearing an old-fashioned clunky medical alert that screams, "I'm old and I need help." Its one-button simplicity makes it easy for seniors who have trouble with new technology. Just gotta press the button, that's it. There's only one. However, if a senior can handle it, I prefer Medical Guardian's MG Move smartwatch, which is also discreet, it's worn on the wrist, but it offers a lot more features, including medicine and doctor appointment reminders. Of course, it's also more complicated. And if you want fall detection, I prefer the MG Mini. It's worn around the neck, rather than a device worn around the wrist. Also, when you have a device on your wrist, you can only press it with one hand. If it's worn around the neck, well, then you can press the button with either hand. I think Medical Guardian, the company behind all these mobile medical alert devices, they're pretty solid. However, they now answer calls with an AI-powered robo-operator before sending you through to a human, and that adds another step to the process before the help you need is summoned to your door. For more reviews of medical alert systems and other products to help you age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.Org. That's our website where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including in-home care, nursing homes, assisted living, and everything in between. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out why 63,000 others have joined before you. Thanks.